y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, come on in, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. You do not know, okay? This is the place where, I do my hair, I do a little bit of beauty. Basically, just pull myself all the way together, okay? And if you are returning here, you already know the deal. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I did this twisted, ponytail little thing I got going on here. If you wanna see how I did it, be sure to stay tuned. Alright y'all, let's jump right into this tutorial, okay? So here you see, I'm gonna part my hair right down the middle because this style starts off with the middle part. And y'all know how I do with my parts, I be taking forever. But this time it kind of worked out in my favor. I got that part looking good right down the middle of my head, okay? Then I went ahead and threw some clips up there because we have to do some more parting. We gotta set the foundation for the style, okay? So you see me going from the top of my head down to my ear. Separating the front of the head from the back of the head. Then I went ahead and just twisted the hair out the way. Boom, went to the other side, from the top of my hair to the side. Because we want symmetry. We want things to be the same on both sides, okay? We're separating the front from the back, all right? Boom, went ahead and just moved that back part of my hair out the way. Then I was like, okay, I wasn't satisfied with that middle part. I was like, well, let me try it one more time to get it as straight as I could get it. And I did it. Then I went ahead and just twisted both of those sections out the way, clipped them, so then I could focus on the back of my head. Go ahead and let that mane loose in the back, and let's get started, okay? So the back of my head is going to consist of 2 strand twists. Now I already did some. You probably like, Kaya, how you going to show us 2 strand twists and only show us how you did it? I got y'all. So I went in with a little bit of water. Go ahead and dampen the hair, right? Get it ready to be twisted. And I wasn't too focused on, nice clean lines for like the back of my head, because for this particular style, the back of my head was not the style of the show. So I just went ahead and just parted the hair with my fingers. Tried my best to take equal sections for each one of the twists and went from there. Got my section together, went in with some more water, decided to detangle a little bit because I like things to be detangled. I like my hair to be easy to work with. We don't want any tangles, okay? These 2 strand twists should not be tangled, okay? Then I went in with my Twist Definer Creme. Now, I'm gonna leave all the products that I use in my hair down in the description box so you can check that out. I just brushed one more time just to make sure everything was, nicely detangled like I like it. Split the hair in 2 and then began a 2 strand twist. Now you can see my hand is working, right? That hand is working. You see as I twist the hair, I smooth the hair down. I twist the hair and I smooth it down. Now if you want a more detailed discussion, a more detailed view of how I twist my hair, be sure to check out my 2 strand twist video. I'll leave it down in the description box below, or you can check it out in the top right corner of this video, okay? Now boom, we almost finished with the back, so I got a few more to do. And because that angle may have not been good enough for you guys to see it, I decided to show you again with one of the little front pieces so you can see what I did, okay? I've already dampened my hair with water. Went ahead and detangled, because why? I like things to be detangled. I don't want no tangled hair. I can't work like that, okay? So make sure the hair is nice and detangled. Went ahead and split the hair into 2 evenly. Went in with my Twist Definer Creme. Began to twist, and y'all see what I do? Twist, smooth, twist and smooth, twist and smooth. I do it time after time, get the results that I'm looking for, okay? Y'all should try it. Boom, we got all those 2 strand twists done, honey. So you know what time it is. You know what time it is. It's time to work on that front part of the head, okay? This is the start of the show. We got to get this looking good, okay? So if you are enjoying my videos, if you are enjoying checking out new hairstyles, getting new hair tips, guess what you can do? Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a new video. Because you know what? I drop one every week and I want y'all to come back and check them out, okay? Alright y'all, it's time to do a little more parting, okay? So I'm still going from that crown of the head down to the side. Because, this style consists of a couple of ponytails. So I got to get these parts together, okay? So then I do the same thing on the other side. Part from the top of my head down to where my ear is. Went ahead and just twisted the hair out the way so I can really focus on getting these ponytails neat, okay? So I went in with some of my curl defining cream, my fave. I use it all the time just to moisturize the hair because I'm about to set it in these ponytails. Went ahead and detangled a little bit because who likes tangled hair? Nobody. Then I went in with a little bit of jam because that's going to add a little bit, you know, to that sleekness and shine that I be talking about all the time. That sleekness and shine that I be looking for. Then I went in with my favorite, the styling foam. That adds some more sleek and shine and make sure them hairs stay in place, okay? Then I had to figure out kind of where I wanted this ponytail to be, tested it out a little bit. And then I went in with my rubber band. Took my time, didn't try to rubber band my hair too fast, and just made sure my ponytail was right where I wanted it and was extra careful to be sure that the ponytail wasn't too tight, okay? Boom, I love it. Looks good to me. Went ahead with the last ponytail. So I did 6 ponytails total. Followed the same method, used the same hair products. Tried to figure out where I want the ponytail to go. Boom, went in with my rubber band. Then I rubber band that hair up, and I had to make sure you see me here, making sure that ponytail is not too tight. We don't want traction alopecia, white bumps, so make sure them ponytails are not too tight, okay? Then I went ahead and just pinned my 2-strand twist out the way because I still have a little more work to do with this front section. So I went ahead and dampened the hair because guess what we're gonna do with these little ponytails? We're gonna twist those jokers up. Yep, I said it. We're gonna 2-strand twist these little ponytails. So I went ahead and dampened the hair, detangled it a little bit because what? Who likes tangled hair? Nobody. So I had to make sure my hair was not tangled, okay? So here I am focusing on that first ponytail. So I moved the other 2 ponytails out the way. Went in with my twist defining cream, detangled my hair a little bit more because I don't like tangled hair. And then I went ahead and 2-strand twisted it. So I went ahead and did the 2-strand twist on the ponytail. Now for the third ponytail, the one furthest to the back, I actually split that 2-strand twist into 2 because I felt like the section was too thick. But after I got all the 2-strand twists done, I kind of, you know, flat twisted those ponytailed 2-strand twists to kind of put them all together. You can kind of see what I'm doing there. And then I grabbed a rubber band just to make one entire ponytail for all of those twists. Then after I had both sides complete, I went ahead and made a nice top ponytail. Now in the meantime, in between time, I went in with some little foam rollers on the ends of the ponytail because I just wanted my ponytail just to look a little bit shorter. And you'll see the reveal in a second. You'll see why I went in with little foam rollers. Add a little more curl to it. That's what I was doing. Boom, here we go. Oh, y'all see that? Look at your girl. Look at your girl. Yes, look at the back. Look at them twists. I knew I was cute. You couldn't tell me nothing. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my twist, ponytail, updo kind of tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and let me know what you think. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.